I think that I'm a Bharatanatyam performer primarily, though I did study in college some modern and a little bit of ballet. I think that as and my roots are very traditional and Indian, like both in terms of upbringing as well as in terms of the art that I practice. Uh, Over the past few months, with the films that both Indica Pictures and CSP has commissioned, I have tried to find new avenues of expressing this very um, traditional performative art form, and also explore the layers that it can offer in a medium other than that of direct visual performance. And it's interesting because as a traditional Bharatanatyam dancer, we are always placed in the middle of two things: a modern world, and then um, a traditional, very um, old, ancient gestural aesthetic that exists within the form itself. And it's important to find the balance between the two artistically in order to live in a contemporary world, communicate to a contemporary audience, and still believe in the values and the systems and the vocabulary of the form itself. That being said, this is a, I think this is a personal artistic kind of choice and journey that I have been traversing to find that balance between something that's traditional and something that's modern. What interested me about the Ayurveda film is the very same thing, is that it is a very traditional old practice, but because of its wholesomeness in its approach to well-being, it is very relevant in a world today. And I thought it's the same thing in terms of how I see my Bharatnatyam. And Ayurveda is the same thing, like placed within a modern world, in our city lives where we don't have the time to think about changing lifestyle very often, where it's easier for us to just pop a pill and continue to do our work because of the demands. And we see the repercussions of that in larger populations because of health effects and mental health and all these other things. Ayurveda still stands strong in the sense that it looks at body, mind, and spirit, very rightly, as the High Commissioner just said a little while ago. And I think that I approach the film from this perspective of looking at how we lead our lives in a modern urban setting, where we look at goals in very strict parameters, both technologically and digitally, and in terms of working in paper. So I use that as a parallel, and how because of how we view life with these very limited goals, and how we define ourselves from these goals that we set, there are these imbalances that are caused. And in Ayurveda, it is the imbalances that occur in the elements, as I understand from my reading the past few months, is the elements which causes the doshas and the imbalances within our body. So once we have a quiet mind and the blessings of Dhanvantri because of that, and the healing processes of Ayurveda take effect, these elements balance within us, and then we find a cohesive living, which doesn't come from just necessarily just popping a pill and an immediate effect, but comes from more changing a lifestyle or approaching life completely differently. I don't know if I've found that balance yet completely in my life, but I try every day and aspire to find it, uh, hopefully through my art and through reading and understanding some of these things about our culture. Thank you so much. I'd like to say that with CSP and Indica Pictures, it's uh, wonderful to work with them because they allow an artist to explore and grow. And I, it's very few organizations that do that. Thank you.